I'm Duan. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Peter. As certified Xero partners, we specialise in making accounting software work for you.
Watch this video to learn how to register draft fixed assets. To register a single fixed asset, click the asset you want to register. For this example, we'll use tripod. Then, scroll to the bottom of the fixed asset details and select Register. Xero notifies you if there are any missing details that you need to enter. If you have multiple draft assets, you can bulk register them to save time. In the Draft tab of the register, select the top checkbox to select all of the draft assets. In this example, we don't want to register the laptop right now, so we'll deselect it by clicking its checkbox. Then, click Register, and then Bulk Register to register your draft assets. Click OK to return to the fixed asset register.